So today we will do example 2 from statistics. The examples 2 states that the table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas of various states and union territories of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers by all the three methods discussed in the sections. Here all the three methods means the direct method, assume mean method and the step deviation method. So here this is the table given here. So here we should draw that given table here. As we should do all the three methods here, we should now we are doing with the first method, that is the direct method. So the direct method formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma f. This is the direct formula. This is the direct formula. So here it is given sigma fi xi. So here this is the fi here, as the fi is given here 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2 and 1, and here it is given fi xi. So we do not have here xi. Here the class marks are given, so this will not be the xi. So xi we should find separately. So we should draw another table here finding xi. So we have drawn a column of xi here. So in order to find xi, there is a formula, that is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Here upper limit and lower limit means here the upper limit is 25, lower limit is 15. So we should add 25 plus 15 divided by 2. So similarly we should go on adding this upper limits and lower limit and divide by 2. Similarly to for all of this. So we should add all this. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2 is equal to 20. That is 25 plus 15 by 2 is equal to 20. 25 plus 35 by 2 is equal to 30. 45 plus 35 by 2 is equal to 40. Similarly 55 plus 45 by 2 gives us 50. 65 plus 55 by 2 gives us 60. Here it will give 70 and 80. So we have found here fi and xi. So our formula states that we should add this sigma fi xi. So we have just found here fi and xi. So in order to get fi xi, we should multiply both these columns like this: 6 into 20, 11 into 30, 7 into 40, in order to get fi xi. After getting the fi xi, we will add that fi xi, all fi xi, because it is giving here sigma fi xi. Sigma means sum of. So we should be going on multiply 6 into 20, as it is fi xi. So we multiplied 20 into 6, that is 120, 30 into 11, 330, 40 into 7, 280, 50 into 4, 200. Now 4 into 60 gives 240. 2 into 70 gives 140, and 80 into 1 gives 80. Since it is given here sigma fi xi, so here is the fi xi. We should add this all: 120 plus 330 plus 280 plus 200, 240, 140, 80, everything we should add here, because it is given sigma, that means sum of. sum of. So we'll add this all fi xi. So after adding, we are getting 1390. So this is the sigma fi xi. This is the sigma fi xi. And here we got the numerator. Now we have to find the sigma f, which is, the sigma fi. This is sigma fi. So here it is the sigma fi. We should add all this sigma fi. We should add all this. 6 plus 11 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives so this is 1390 by 35. So 1390 and 35 will go in 5 table. It is 5 7s are 35 and 5 2 7 8s are 1390. So 7 divided by 278 will give us 39.71 approx, because always we get an approx answer. So this was the part 1 of our video. So in the next part 2 I will show you how to do this sum with assume in method and the subdivision method, as it is mentioned in the question, to do with this all the 3 methods. We have done with the first method, that is the direct formula. Now 2 more are remaining. First I will explain you the assume in method in the second part of the video, then I will show you this sum with assume in method, then step deviation method.